And you guys thought that my shop was awesome. Check it out. I'm down here at my buddy Aaron's place. What's up, Aaron? Say hi to the adventurers.
Hey, everybody.
And he's wearing an RC ADDiCTS shirt. What a good man. There's Scaletown over here. Lyle, the RC athlete himself. And y'all know KRAZY Joe. How are ya?
Cheers.
Good. So look at this. Amazing. Is that a hot dog maker over there?
That's a hot dog cooker.
Okay, now you guys can drop your jealousy of my shop because this thing is the bomb, man. I can't believe this mini Z track. Holy cow. Is this 2 tracks put together, Aaron?
This is 2 tracks.
And a timing system, the same kind of timing system we use for our 5th scale and what we used for mini Z at the end of the last season. Got a small group today, pretty tight-knit friends. All the cars are on drift tires. They are all-wheel drive. And we're really just kind of here to hang out, and I'll try to get some races for you guys and clip them all together and see if you guys can be inspired to have fun with the hobby of RC. Everett! So they're using drift tires on this rubber track, and most of them are going at 50% power right now because this track is so tight. Using rubber tires on this track actually causes a lot more speed and a lot more damage when there's collisions. Aaron, how wide is the track?
18 inches.
18 inches. This is RC athletes right here, sporting an RC Sparks car. Oh, there's Jason Hoy from Hoy Fab. So cool. Captain Calgary, Boom Racing, Scaletown on the back. So much fun. Here's Ev's car.
Aaron,
yeah.
Doesn't believe us.
People are going to be coming.
It is faster.
50% is faster, bro.
This is my buddy Aaron's running my car right now, actually. And so one of the tips that we have, or one of the things we found with these Kyoshos, all-wheel drive or all of them, do you think? With the mini Zs? Yeah.
Sticking steering for the most part.
So what is it, do you find, is actually causing the steering wheel or the wheels to stick?
The steering arm or wiper, whatever you want to call it,
yeah,
that joins your 2 knuckles.
Yeah.
In the center, there's a little hoop that goes over the end of the servo saver.
Yeah.
And it tends to have burrs on it from the factory, so it catches.
Can we see it? Can you bring the car back and we'll have a look?
Yeah, because it's happened with
a lot.
12 cars right out of the box.
Yeah, right out of the box.
Plate,
yeah.
You can see this little arm that joins the 2 knuckles.
Okay,
that sits
yeah.
on top of the servo saver with a little hoop.
Yeah, like so this is the one right here,
yes.
Yeah.
Nope, it's turned on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so you pull these 4 screws out.
Yeah.
Take this plate off, lift the arm out.
Yeah.
In the hoop, you take a little bit of sandpaper and just gently, you don't get carried away with it.
Sure.
Just make sure there's no burrs anywhere on it.
Yeah.
Tiny little bit of lube.
So it doesn't hang up.
And it doesn't hang up anymore.
Good, man. Hopefully that helps out lots of people. Thanks for doing that for me.
Absolutely.
A liquid cat, nice! Nice job, fully stacked. That's what we like to see. Crazy Joe on the game table. The champion.
Oh man, it's so hard to drive.
So this is Everett's new McLaren 2-wheel drive. Obvious rear wheel. With grip tires, you can see the amount of traction this car actually has. It turns on a dime. Let the experienced driver give it a go. No, you, man.
Now I need to like it. You're insane, eh?
Yeah, insane.
These guys have lots of missiles and they're really fast.
Oh! 94,000.
Past the jets.
Aaron, thanks for letting me come out and hang out and showing everybody around. What an amazing shop. We're gonna have to come back. Are we allowed to come back?
Anytime.
Thanks, man.